1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. 3. Honey never spoils, it can last 3,000 years. 4. You can hear the difference between hot and cold water. 5. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. 6. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 7. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. 8. Sharks existed before trees. 9. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. 10. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones.